Hey guys, Donnie here from Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, today in the mail I got the Osmo 2. This was sent out from Henrik from Tech Drone Media. I won it from a giveaway he was having. I do thank you, Henrik, so much for that giveaway, buddy. Guys, I'm going to head off to Fisherman's Wharf in Monterey Bay, California, and let's see what this Osmo 2 can do. Alright guys, hey, we're taking a walk right now at the end of the wharf here, so it's definitely a beautiful day today. I figure I'd get a little bit of footage over here at the wharf before winter kicks in, guys. So let's take a look over here off the docks here, guys. Alright guys, I just showed you a quick little clip from Monterey Bay, California, Fisherman's Wharf. I just wanted to give a big thanks to Henrik. I thank you so much for the awesome giveaways and the great channel you have there, Tech Drone Media. Guys, check him out. He's not only got good content, he's got awesome giveaways as well. This was the Osmo 2. Thanks again. You guys be safe and happy flying.